Yeah, you'll be fine. She's fine. Hey, baby.
What kind is it, though? What kind? Like a bull? I love bulldogs.
We have an American bulldog.
We got two.
Two, yep. Hey, good girl. That's alright, ain't nothing wrong with that. I like the old truck. You gonna fix your trucks up?
Yeah.
Hey, sweet girl. Yeah, he's a pretty girl. Yeah, you are. Yeah, pretty girl. Yeah, you're a pretty girl. Yeah.
Well, it originally was designed for phone tape. But, you know, your phone goes here, your phone must go down here, or you can put it in there. It's a really old, I mean, they...
You probably don't know what to tell it. You don't know what a telephone is, do you? Do? Hey YouTube, this yard sale was really good. Found a few vintage items, some license plate covers. My wife found a old telephone desk, um, and then we just found a few little knickknacks. Also got a beer light, a Winston light from NASCAR. Still got to put a light in it, but really an overall a good sale. The man had two vintage Ford trucks. Also in his garage, out of respect for him, and he had a 1970 one Chevelle 4-speed, beautiful car. I didn't record it, but you know, all in all, this sale was good. And if you like content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it. Our family appreciates it. And you know, like I said, if you like content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you. North Georgia Picker out. I see it. Pretty. Just pretty. Pretty.
Sometimes they give me old biscuits that's left at night at the store down there. And I said, well, yeah, I'll feed the birds and other animals, you know, so I throw them out there at the back in the woods, in the edge of the woods, you know, and she'd go out there and get them and bring them back up here and put them all around the yard.
Oh,
And then the cats go close to them, boy, she'd get after them.
I don't blame her. I like it.
Yeah, a little bit. He got a lot of good looking stuff. Now I just can't see you skiing.
What now?
I can't see you skiing. Did you have them for wall art?
They were here when I moved here.
Okay.
But I'm telling you right now, the guy that lived here, he was the cabinet builder.
Right.
He only had one arm, but he made them.
Yeah, them are nice. You can tell that wood's nice.
Yeah, I mean he made them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he done good. They're nice. Yeah.
But people like them to hang on the wall and stuff like that. I mean,
How much is your solar?
$2. Those are hard to find. We did have a bunch of them, but they all got gone. Yeah.
An old sickle. Grim Reaper.
I don't like
No. Honestly, that's what they used to cut hay with. I've cut hay with them many days. Man, kill them.
Okay.
Pirate. Yeah, I picked it up.
Like a riding helmet
Yep.
for a horse.
It is a riding helmet for a horse. How much you asking for that?
I'll take 20 for it. It's I think it's in real good shape.
It looks, yeah, it feels like it. Usually, when you find them that old, yeah, it's an old one. When you find them that old, they're usually brittle. I mean, if you, you feel right there, it's getting brittle. But yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it's a little bit out of my price range, but I like it.
What do you give for it?
I don't know. I gotta see what my damage is. I done got me some, some bottle opener. Here comes Cat D. It's coming after you.
One bit me when I was really little. So I was just,
And you got some neat stuff. I guess that's an old like surf
Yeah, there's
thing.
two of them. There's nothing here that's a little bit smaller. I mean, it's made a little bit different. But I mean, all this is the same, but it's just bottles different.
Bottle's a little different, yeah. That's neat. That is neat. How much you asking for them?
I'll take $5 for them.
I'll take them. And
That bottle right there, and I stuck that thing in it, but that bottle there is old. I looked that bottle up, one of these bottles up on, I think it was this one, and that was like, they was selling for like $30 on the, I stuck that thing in it
yeah, that's neat.
on the internet.
how much is that?
$2. Huh?
I'm getting lucky. I was like, is it a music box? And I heard it playing. I was like,
Hey kitty, what you doing? I'll pet you. Yeah, Dee won't pet you, but I'll pet you. If you'll come here, I'll pet you.
Yeah, she's getting old.
Yeah, she on up there a little bit.
She's about 14.
how old is
Well, I don't know exactly. She's sort of old, but I'd say she's probably at least 18, something like that.
very faithful. That's good.
The only dog I ever had, I mean, she stays right here in the yard. She don't go out in the yard. I mean, she might go out in the woods if she sees something. Now, she will drag stuff up. One morning I got up and she had just killed a possum and had it dragged up here in the yard. And I don't know, possums are play possums, act like they're dead. Yeah. One morning I got up and there was one laying up here, and I thought it was dead. Anyway, I was going out somewhere, and I come back, it was gone. I thought, well, it must have got up and run off. And she wasn't looking. Yeah, you know we're talking about you, don't you?
I thought I was taking the story.
How much you asking for your comic books?
They're $2 a piece. Some of them $7 or $8. I didn't look all of them up, but some of them $7 or $8 on.
Yeah, that's good. I like the older ones.
Yeah.
They're hard to find.
There's, I don't know, somebody may have done took all there's some that was a little bit old, because they were 75,
75 cents?
yeah, 50 and 75 cents. There was a couple, but
Yeah, somebody probably already took
somebody
them.
probably done took them. There's probably been. That Batman might be,
Yeah, I don't really see
Did he
any
say
old
stuff
ones.
in the room?
I don't know if there's anything in the room or not. I didn't ask him. I don't know. Did you say there was stuff for sale in the room?
yeah.
I can tell he's a good guy. He's got Earnhardt stuff. I don't know about this Tennessee Suncatcher thing though. You ain't no Tennessee Vols fan, are you?
Huh?
You ain't no Tennessee Vols fan.
No.
Okay, good deal. We can be friends then. Go Army.
That's a beautiful tape.
Look, D, they got your license plate, baby.
What is it?
Says
Queen.
You ain't got no motorcycle tags, do you?
Not these two right here. I got 83 and 86.
Yeah, not old enough. Pretty close though. It's hard to find them.
Yeah. I used to have a bunch of them, but I, you know, they got away and don't never know. I used to have them.
I have never seen so many Earnhardt license plates. That is cool.
Before I moved up here, I bought this place in 2016, but I was born and raised in Woodstock.
Oh.
And anyway, I had all those savage yards.
Kitty,
Come
kitty,
here.
kitty, 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 kitty.
Baby chicken.
Kitty,
Baby
kitty,
chicken. Come on, get it. Go on and leave people alone.
She,
Get away from
I
her.
attract a lot of
I
cats.
know.
I know I do.
Some people just don't like cats.
she got bit by one when she was little. That's why.
I've never seen a tree like this. Oh my God.
Baby
I'm sorry.
chicken.
I'm sorry.
Get them out of here.
I'm
Get.
sorry.
Go get.
We'll get
Have you
it.
ever tried that?
Yeah, the
I've
peanuts
never
tree.
seen this.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be nothing on the tree?
Yep. There's nothing on it.
How much is this?
Is that your stuff?
$5.
You want it?
That's up to you.
This is Snoopy Christmas tree.
Are you selling your Winston light?
Yeah, I'll sell it. It lights up, but it's not real bright. I don't know what kind of bulb it's got in. I don't know what it's.
What are you asking for?
I'll take 20 for it. I've had that thing for a long time. Well, you know, it's been a long time since racing was Winston.
Winston. Yep.
Oh, you got your Braves too?
He got all kinds of stuff. Got Bill Elliott. Bill Elliott met him several times. His ex-wife can sign his autograph just like him.
Yeah, I had them posters. That's when Junior. That's when Bill drove. You know, about 90. I don't know if 90 something. He won the race with Junior Johnson.
Yep.
Which Alan Kawicki here, you know, he won the championship 91. That's the only year that Earnhardt.
You're gonna get it.
That's the only year that Earnhardt didn't
I don't know.
finish in the
We'll
top
look
10 in points. You know that, don't you?
Yep. Gosh, that's nice. I really want this.
I know I saw that too.
That's it. Winchester.
Yeah.
Hey,
So-
Oh, I'm living the dream, man.
I don't think I'm gonna. It's too big. Too big.
You sure?
Yeah.
You don't regret it if you
Everybody
don't.
chicken. Get out of here.
I'll just pat my cat.
Well, not
Wait,
the
yeah.
Much involved.
$1.
Like a cat, though.
Rather than the nurse.
What you think about that? I don't know. That's $5. I don't know if I want that.
No.
You want the
Nice.
ball there?
Yeah.
That's the best.
Dollar
Yeah.
store. Yeah, it is.
Right in the spot.
He's got some Auburn. He's got some old football Auburn things. That's probably a bread thing, I would think.
Turn it, turn it.
There we go.
So what is
Bread.
it?
It's old bread box. What
Yeah.
people used to keep their bread in.
I bought her a wood one that they've done. I'm gonna take this one.
But see, this is you probably can't see it. Dog, I seen it come.
Yeah,
over.
I see the old.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
come on, but
How about, would you take 10?
I guess
All
I'm
right.
gonna buy some more stuff. ain't
Yeah, I done got this. I won't even hang on the Winchester. I like that.
Now, how much is this? I'm just curious.
I? I'll take 5 for it.
I like antique stuff, so I'm just like, don't laugh at me.
I'm laughing. Huh? It's neat. Is that you?
So,
Well, it's just you put the bread in to keep it. I just keep the rats off of it.
so when you help me shine it up,
Huh?
will you help me shine it up?
Did I help you shine it up? Yeah. I don't think it's got rust on it. I don't know if we shine it or not. But you can shine it.
Look, maybe when you
That's you. You want it?
let me see. I mean, you got in that desk. Oh, no, I can't put it in. I can't set it up. You know, the old desk.
That's the
Let me see if you open that desk. Do all that. I removed one like a storage. I know we can't do that. I like stuff
No,
that
it
brings
fit.
my
No,
eyes.
no, it fit.
Or wait on the bread thing.
I'd say that thing probably made in the 60s.
Yeah, it's 60s. It's 60s. Maybe it might be a little older, but not much older.
I don't think so, because
Yeah,
if you think they come out in the 60s with the cheer,
yeah,
with the wood.
yeah. With the pegs and
Yeah.
stuff in. 'em. Yeah.
Mhm. But nobody, I mean, you could use it for a desk, but you know, because nobody hardly got a
Nobody's
phone
got
in
a
the
phone.
house.
No.
Because I got one in there on the wall, payphone.
What? Wow. So
Oh,
what do you-
I set my Winchester thing down here.
I'll put other stuff in there. So you said a bread or a
Tell you what, I'm gonna pass on the bottles, and
No, don't.
we'll get that. I like that better than the bottles,
I like
and
the
it'll
storage.
take it out of his way. That way he don't have to put it back in there. Where you gonna put that at, Deidre?
Where is it?
In the garage with all the other stuff you have?
It's for the future.
All right, so I got 30, 40,
You got stuff in
and
there.
yeah. Well, I was counting the light because he charged me $10 for the light, so I'm at 40 there. So what about for just that stuff?
What'd you say you got now?
I got 30 out there, 40, and then whatever that is.
$50 for all of it?
That was good.
Good
Thank you,
deal?
sir. Yep, that's a good deal. It's a good deal.
I just need to get rid of some of this stuff. I'm tired of moving it around. It's in my way, and I used to put my car in here sometimes, but
Yeah.
that don't happen no more.
No, that's me. Our garage is full, so I understand. DJ, I guess you better pay the man. You got $50?
I'll let you do it.
Comes better out of his pocket, doesn't it?
Good stuff. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna load up.